Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix NVIDIA control panel display settings is missing. So if these settings on NVIDIA control panel is missing, there is no display. What you need to do here first is to make sure that your HDMI or other monitor cable that you put into your computer is on the side here on the bottom, basically connected directly to your GPU and not on the ports that is on the top, right? Always directly connect your monitor with your GPU, and then display settings should appear. If for some reason your display settings is not appearing, then go to NVIDIA app, go to drivers, make sure your drivers is up to date, and then the next step what you need to do here is to go to services. On services, press on one of the tasks here, and then go to NVIDIA display container LS, right click on it, go to properties, make sure startup type is automatic and it's running. If it's not running, just press start, apply OK. Also we can restart the service here, then do the same with NVIDIA frame view SD key, make sure it's automatic and it's running, then apply. And local system container, do the same as well, and you should be good. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.